Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. All right, so welcome to the Coffee with Craig show today. We're here on the Freedom Square, there we go. The birds are attacking me. This guy is giving me a bunch of birds he wants me to hold. So anyway, we're here in Freedom Square in Kyiv. Great to be back. A lot of exciting things going on. You can hear the band in the back probably, also very interesting playing. And some nice white pigeons here. Yeah, very good. Spasiba. Adam and Eva. Oh, okay, yeah. Where'd you get those names from? Those are very creative.
Where are you from?
Yeah, from Los Angeles. Come with me. We'll come over here. So here we have quite an interesting memorial. Oh yeah, I know. We don't want them to fly away. Here we have quite interesting memorial and quite sad. Here you go. And here quite sad memorial of a lot of flags showing all the Ukrainians that have been lost in this war and killed by the Russians. A lot of little flags, very nice looking, but very sad to see. And then of course over here we've got, I'm losing the birds. And then over here we've got the Freedom Square, and just interesting look around. A lot of people here on the square, a lot of things going on. So great. I guess I have to pay this guy some money for giving me all these nice birds. So anyway, it was Friday morning, and just got into town at 8 in the morning after a long train ride. So great to be here. It was very nice train ride, very pleasant. No big problems there. And actually at the beginning of September, we're bringing out a little group of some real estate investors, some business people, and some retailers to come take a look around Kyiv. We'll have a little tour, a little investment tour. So that's on 2nd of September for a couple of days. So if you can make it, let us know. We'd definitely like to have you come with us. So enjoy the rest of the day. We'll shoot right to Winston right now for the news. Spasiba. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. Occupier activity in the Warsaw Office Market remained relatively strong throughout the second quarter of 2022, while office availability continued to increase further, pointing to a continued downward trend in vacancy rates, reports Newmark Polska in its latest report, Office Occupier Warsaw Office Market. In the first half of 2022, gross office take-up came close to 480,000 square metres, of which over 44% or 212,000 square metres was transacted in the second quarter. Occupier activity continued to focus on central locations, where the leasing volume amounted to more than 343,000 square metres, account for nearly 72% of the total take-up. Despite the current geopolitical tensions, there is no sign of any marked slowdown in leasing activity or slower decision-making, say Newmark. And according to Joanna Bartosevich, Senior Associate Office Tenant Representation at Newmark, given the current level of occupier activity and expected limited new office supply, we expect an increase in lease renewals whose share of the total take-up rose over the quarter from just over 27% in Q1 2022 to 48% at the end of June 2022. Moving to the logistics sector, and LS Logistics has extended an existing contract and signed another one for an additional area of over 2,700 square metres at Segro Logistics Park Warsaw, Najazin. Now the company occupies almost 17,600 square metres in the park, which is related to the expansion of LS Logistics in the renewable energy and e-commerce sectors. And according to Rafał Gorska, President of the Management Board of LS Logistics, we sign more and more contracts with companies from the renewable energy sector, so we need more warehouse space. We are also developing in cooperation with another online store, and the development of e-commerce is an increasingly important source of income for us. And Vladimir Vichak, Regional Director of Segro, concludes, the central location and proximity to communication nodes of a warehouse in Nardazhin favours our clients in developing business for the e-commerce and the renewable energy sectors. Staying in Poland and in the logistics industry, and Lidl Polska, one of the country's largest retail chains, will become one of the tenants of the 7R Park Poznan West this August. The company has leased around 10,900 square metres in the park. 7R Park Poznan West is a modern warehouse and production facility with a total area of over 55,000 square metres. The facility has several ecological solutions, including air destratifiers and electric car chargers. It also holds the BREEAM certificate at the very good level. And finally for today, moving to Romania, and Speedwell has launched the sales for the third and final phase of its Triama residence in Bucharest. The residential complex in eastern Bucharest consists of 3 separate buildings and totals 202 apartments. And according to Jan Demir, architect and co-founder at Speedwell, we're excited to be getting close to the finish line with our project, Triama Residence. We wanted to offer a high-quality living solution to those that are fond of this area and offer an alternative to those who are not familiar with it yet. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please log in throughout the day, and we will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.